What's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna go over how to install our Beadlock Glass Coating. We're gonna give you some very simple directions along with a few pro tips. Let's get in the video. Okay, so before you apply the glass coating, you are going to want to prep the glass. Now, that's either going to include 2 steps or 1 step. The 2 steps of prep would be glass polish followed by glass cleaner. 1 step would be simply cleaning the glass with the glass cleaner. So at minimum, you're going to clean your glass with glass cleaner to prep it for the coating. Now, how do you know that you need to do 2 steps? I want you to evaluate the glass. Now I have gloves on, but I want you to use a bare hand. Rub your hand over your clean glass, and if you feel a rough feel or you visually see any type of water spot etching, that's when I want you to use the glass polish. Remove those contaminants, remove those water spots, then follow it with glass cleaner, and you're ready for coating application. So here's some quick tips on how to use glass polish. You're gonna use it always by hand. You can use an applicator pad or you can use a microfiber towel. Shake it up well, apply some to your applicator or towel, thoroughly rub over the surface of the glass till your desired results are achieved. Flip the towel, wipe it off, follow with some glass cleaner, and you're ready to rock. So before I apply the glass coating, I wanna take my hand, open palm, and I wanna hear some nice squeaks on that glass. That means there's no film, nothing on that glass that could prohibit my coating from bonding properly. It's squeaky clean. So in the kit, we have a 30 ml bottle of product, and then we've also put in an applicator for you guys. Instructions are also on the back. So we're gonna give it a quick shake up. And again, we are gonna coat driver's side only, and then passenger side will remain uncoated, so when we pull this thing out, show you guys our demonstration, we'll have that nice contrast so you guys can see the performance. So being that the applicator's new, I want to give it a nice load up of product. Make sure you get that product all around the outside of the applicator pad. Now I want to start from the outside, box it in, and then I'll come through and coat the middle sections. Make sure you use your pointer fingers almost as a bumper against the adjacent panels so you're not pushing coating up onto your roof or the pillars of your vehicle. Now if you do, it will level off pretty easily, but I'd like you to be disciplined and not push a bunch of coating onto those panels. So I got a nice straight line. Now I'm gonna come down here, cut straight across, come up. Now I've made my box. I'll start filling it in. Nice overlapping passes. No rubbing, you're just laying the product down. As you're putting the product down, look it over, make sure you don't have any gaps in your passes. It's nice and even. So you can see it's starting to kind of sweat, so to speak, and it's got a light rainbow effect, but more what you're looking for is that sweat pattern you're seeing as the product is flashing off the glass, the raw material's bonding to the glass, and I'm gonna come through with my leveling towels and level this right off. Being that you guys are home or applying this as professionals, you're gonna do the entire windshield, then come back, level that off. When you move into the sides of your vehicle, you can do both sides, front door, rear door, then come back and level it off. Main thing is, guys, you do not want to apply this in direct sun because what it's going to do, it's going to bond and dry instantly in the sun. So you want the glass temperature cool. So if you are outside, especially mobile detailers, you want to find some shade if you're going to apply this outdoors. You do not want the glass hot to the touch. So if your question is how long before you level off the product, I recommend doing the entire windshield, then grabbing your leveling towel, leveling off the product. On the side of the vehicle, you can do front, rear door. If you're on an SUV, you can do front, rear door, and cargo section. Basically, driver's side of the vehicle, then come back and level it off. Rear window, level that off, and so forth. So in the same way that I applied it, when I'm leveling, I want to start from the outside and come in. No circles, nice even passes. I'm gonna flip my towel. That's what I love about these leveling towels in particular. They're numbered so you can know which side you've used. So I'm gonna flip my towel. Again, go to the outside and come in. What's nice about Beadlock Glass Coating is that it bonds instantly to the glass. There's no cure time. So as you're gonna see in a few minutes here, we're gonna pull this truck right out and get this wet, and you're gonna see the performance. So it doesn't need to cure overnight. It's instantly cured and ready to go, ready for water contact. Once you're done leveling the product off the glass, give it a quick look over and make sure you have not pushed coating on any of the adjacent panels. If so, make sure you level that off nicely. If it's bonded to the paint, that's where you could take some polish, something like our slick back, put a little bit on your microfiber towel and just quickly wipe off any product that has gone onto the panel. All right, so we're gonna get the truck pulled out and do the demo with the water, but a quick recap. Make sure you prep your glass properly, whether it's glass polish and then glass cleaner or just glass cleaner. You want it squeaky clean, and then apply your coating. Don't overthink it. As you saw in the demo, this stuff is super easy to use, instantly cures, easy wipe off, ready for water contact. Okay, so we pulled the tape up. You can see some coating got pushed under that tape. That's probably been on the glass for about 5 minutes now. This will be a great demonstration on if you are at home applying this or as a professional and you have a high spot like that. I want you to take some slick back primer polish. This is what we found to be effective. If you don't have this, you can just grab some polish that you have, put it on a microfiber towel or an applicator and just quickly wipe that off. I do suggest if you do have a high spot that you got to use some polish, after you do this, go back in with a little more glass coating and hit that area and re-level it out. All right, so the performance demonstration, we got 2 5-gallon buckets. We got a bucket with clean water in it, and then we have a bucket with some muddy water in it. Shine Jr. is pretty stoked about this demo. We're gonna trash his truck right now. It's actually kind of dirty anyway, so we're good. I'm gonna get up on this. We're gonna throw that bucket of water up on there, let you guys sit back and see the performance of this stuff. Good thing there's paint protection film on this hood. Hey, you scooped it up. There's little rocks in there. We'll rinse it off right now. Okay, so a few things on the performance of the glass coating. As you can see, it's gonna make the glass very hydrophobic. What that's gonna do, it's gonna help eliminate the need for windshield wipers. When it is raining, you're driving down the road at higher speeds, it's gonna help eliminate having to have your wipers on full blast, because a lot of that water is just gonna fly off your windshield. Now, coating your side windows, your rear windows, the benefit of doing that, it's just gonna make your glass cleanup easier during your maintenance washing. If you do get some hard water spotting on your glass, having the coating on there is gonna help those remove easier than if you had no coating on your glass. So glass coating is not gonna prevent hard water spots from happening on your glass, but it's gonna help them clean up easier, being that it's a sacrificial barrier on top of your glass that the water spots have primarily hit, rather than being right on top of your glass, which can cause etching very quickly. So you may ask, what if I do get some water spots on my glass after I've applied the coating? What you'd want to do is take some of our slick back polish, being that it has a very light abrasive in it, but it also has some SiO2 in it. There's a good chance that polish will remove the light water spots. Now, you want to start with the least aggressive method for your removal, which would be the slick back polish. If that didn't work, then you'd want to jump to the glass polish, and at that point, you would be recoating the windows. Okay, so how often should you apply and how should you maintain it? We suggest that you apply the glass coating 1 time per year. As far as maintenance, you can maintain it just like you would your glass normally with a nice glass cleaner. That's all you need. The glass cleaner is not going to strip the coating. Another thing, right after applying it, you could go in and immediately use your glass cleaner right after applying it. Again, Beadlock Glass instantly cures. So you can go right into using glass cleaner on your glass if need be. All right guys, so that's how you apply our glass coating. Please don't be intimidated. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, you see the steps are very straightforward, very easy to apply. And if you're a professional, you know that you're also gonna get the results and the performance that you're always trusting when you use ShineSupply products. We hope you enjoyed the video. As always, leave us a comment below. We're happy to help. We'll see you next time.